You like making money? Do you like flexing on your ex? Well, you're in the right place. What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Soulfly Trades here, back with another video. And today I just want to talk about the two trades that I took today. My first trade was I tried to get a bounce around the 412 area. Um 411, 412 area. That will be right here because we tanked down and basically we were starting to stall out around this support and bounce up. So I said, hey, I'll try calls right here. Granted, on SPY, let me go to my 1 minute. On SPY, we were right under resistance, but the only time I'll take calls right under resistance on SPY is if we have room to move on SPX. Because I notice SPX holds more weight. I navigate SPX and trade SPY. That's usually how I do it. But yeah, so and my stop was right under here. I was hopefully trying to take it back up to 413 and sell, but that didn't happen. Stack the probabilities. And also because we have some volume increasing on this push up, even though the candlestick didn't confirm it. So, I wasn't fully convinced, but I tried it and I got stopped out for a loss of like 70 to 80 bucks, something like that. Long story short, I waited. I said, okay, I took my first trade, it went against me. So I need to be smart. I said, okay, we're in the downtrend, right? So boom, we kind of reclaimed this 41.27 area, reclaim that. And once we push back above here, I was looking for calls until we broke below again. And on the 5 minute on SPX, we broke below. Give me 1 second. Let's go to the 5 minute on SPY just so everything will be in order here. So yeah, I entered right here in this area crossing VWAP simply because in this area on SPX is when we broke below this 41.39 key level, and we did it with a lot of volume. So that justified me to get in at this area. And I was expecting some kind of pullback just in case, because I did get in not on a break and retest like I usually do. So my entry was slightly more aggressive. So I was already mentally preparing for a pullback. But another thing is when I bought these contracts, I was already in like drawdown, which was kind of weird. But it's fine. I was just focusing on my technicals. Long story short, as you can see here, we broke below this 412 and we were holding it, rejecting. We were pushing up on lowering volume, which is pretty good. I like that. Wanted to see some more volume in this rejection, but we were steady closing below this level, so I was happy about that. And then volume started to increase as on the rejects from this area. And we also had these confluences up here with VWAP in the 21-day EMA. So we need a lot of buying pressure just to push through that. So my first price target was low of day. Sold my first three right here, which now that I look back, I should have waited until we got to prior day close. So I sold my first three around that area. Then we hit prior day close. So I sold another one. So that was 4. And then I sold my last 2 down here. On this, it's green, but this candlestick was red, because my last target was 410, and I started to see a stall right here at 410. Which was this level right here that we were reclaiming on SPX. We were reclaiming this, making higher lows. So I sold the rest of my positions for a little profit of $116. It's not too bad, you know what I mean? I'll take it. But other than that, trading today was definitely harder than usual. It might look like, okay, this looked like it was easy. No, it wasn't. Simply because I got in aggressively, which I can say is my fault, but I seen how much sellers were coming in, so I was willing to stack the probabilities and take the chance. Granted, my stop loss would have been tighter. We could have bounced right here on this level and just completely, went back up. But I knew that we were overbought pre-market and we were selling off as soon as we opened. So, I figured we keep selling off, again, stacking the probabilities. But yeah, other than that, it's been pretty slow this week. Like Monday and Tuesday were really slow, no real opportunities. But other than that, I'm hoping that we have some more volume this week, some more movement. But I appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.